Question number 161. The partial pressure of carbon dioxide in oxygenated blood is, and we know that. Now it is given in the question that in oxygenated blood, the partial pressure of CO2 is 40 mmHg. This is given. And you have to compare this value to the given options. Very first option given is equal to PCO2 in tissue. And PCO2 in tissue is 45 mmHg. But in oxygenated blood, PCO2 is 40. So this is not equal to PCO2 in tissue. So this is an incorrect option. The second option is equal to PCO2 in alveoli. And in alveoli, PCO2 is 40 mmHg, which is equivalent to PCO2 in oxygenated blood. So this is a correct option and is a correct answer to our question. Third option given is more than PO2 in deoxygenated blood. And in deoxygenated blood, PO2 is 40 mmHg, which is equivalent to PCO2 in oxygenated blood. So this is an incorrect option. The last option is less than PCO2 in atmospheric air. And in atmospheric air, PCO2 is 0.3, which is less than PCO2 in oxygenated blood. So this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 162. Ejection of stomach contents through mouth after nausea is a reflex action which is under the control of medulla oblongata and is termed as. This is a direct question from your NCERT and the correct answer for this question is vomiting. It is a reflex action in which stomach contents are ejected out. And this is under the control of medulla oblongata. Let's discuss other options also. The first option given is diarrhea. And diarrhea is abnormal frequency of bowel movement. So this is an incorrect option. Our third option is indigestion. And indigestion occurs when food is not digested properly. Food is not digested properly, leading to a feeling of fullness. So this is an incorrect option. Our last option given is constipation. And constipation is a condition when feces are retained within colon due to irregular bowel movement. So this is also an incorrect option. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 163. A disorder called jaundice is primarily associated with, and this is a direct question because jaundice is a disorder which is associated with digestive system in which bile pigments in blood causing yellowness in skin and eyes. This is a direct question. So option number 4 is the correct answer to this question. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 164. A muscular, glandular and voluntary organ found attached with floor of oral cavity by a mucous membrane is. And the correct answer for this question is tongue. Tongue is a muscular, glandular and voluntary organ which is found attached with the floor of oral cavity by a mucous membrane. And this mucous membrane is known as frenulum. So option number 3 is an incorrect option. Option number 2 given is hyoid and it is a bone and not a muscular organ. And the last option given is ovula and this is an incorrect option because ovula is a hanging portion of soft palate. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 165. Total volume of air expired by a person forcefully after normal inspiration is known as. And as you can see in this figure, after normal inspiration, the total volume of air that can be expired forcefully is this much, which is equivalent to this tidal volume plus this expiratory volume, expiratory reserve volume, and which is equivalent to this plus this would be equivalent to expiratory capacity. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is inspiratory capacity. And what is inspiratory capacity? Inspiratory capacity is the total volume of air a person can inspire after normal expiration. So in this figure, this is inspiratory capacity. So this is an incorrect option. The third option given is vital capacity. And what is vital capacity? Vital capacity is the maximum air a person can breathe in after forceful expiration. So in this figure, what is vital capacity? It is this. This is vital capacity. So this is an incorrect option. The last option given is functional residual capacity. And what is functional residual capacity? Functional residual capacity is the volume of air that remains in lungs after normal expiration. So this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.